drowned in dreams and memory, living in a stilted present. Shangri-La or parody, went into a painful crescent. But it all goes wrong when you try the most. Just let go and throw your intentions down. The sun is shining coast to coast. What point is there in seeing tomorrow's clouds? The past will have its demons. What good is it? The day has got its reasons. So come and visit, walking slow but surely, one day at a time.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
Think that we're crazy. They just haven't seen love this plainly. When they ask what on earth is going on, just tune your record in and play this song. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet. Sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be. Old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. Baby, I don't care. I think I'd even mind between holding your hand, what I'm feeling, and the bottles of wine. 'Cause you just might be something that could stick. Well, at least I put my money down on it. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet. Sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be. But old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. Wow. Old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. We've been around enough to know that what this world really means is something like you and me. Bitter with a touch of sweet, cold but it goes down with ease. Old-fashioned love is what this world really needs. Old-fashioned love. Something sweet. Sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be. But Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Old-fashioned love. Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Yeah.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。